welcome back to my channel, Informative Updates. Today's notification is from HPCL, and this time's vacancy is for the E0 level, that is for the junior executive, where your pay scale may ranges from 30,000 to 1,20,000 and as the basic pay, and besides that you will be getting the HRA and the DA and the rest other allowances. Now, in this video, I'll be discussing about the number of the vacancies and the posts in the which branches you can apply, and what is the syllabus for this post, and how the examination will be conducted at the examination patterns. So let's discuss in this video. As everyone knows is very well that HPCL, that is the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, is a Maharatna PSU which was established on 15th of July 1974. So next, going to the important dates. The commencement of the online application will be from 15th of January and the last date is 14th of February. And the posts and the vacancies are: positions is for the junior executive mechanical. The pay scale ranges from 30,000 to 1,20,000 for all the branches, that is for mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical. And total vacancy is around 234. So for the junior executive mechanical, the vacancies is 130 and the maximum age limit is 25 years. Then the essential qualifications are 3 years full-time regular diploma in the mechanical engineer. Then for the junior executive electrical, the pay scale is again the same. Then the vacancies is 65. Maximum age limit is 25 years. Essential qualifications is 3 years full-time regular diploma in electrical engineering. Then for the executive junior executive instrumentation, again pay scale same, vacancy 37, and then the maximum age is 25 years. Essential qualifications is 3 years full-time regular diploma in the instrumentation engineering. Again for the chemical, pay scale same, vacancy 2, maximum age is 25 years. Essential qualification 3 years diploma in the chemical engineering. Then the core disciplines. For if you want to apply for mechanical, you have to complete your diploma in the mechanical engineering. And if you want to apply for electrical, same, you have to complete your diploma in electrical engineering. Then for instrumentation, you have to complete your diploma in instrumentation and control instrumentation, and electronics engineering. Then for the chemical engineering and chemical technology. Then the minimum marks required for in the qualifying diploma is minimum 60% for the general, OBC non-creamy layer and the EWS, and 50% for the SC or ST PWBD candidates. Then the shortlisting and the selection process. The selection process may comprise of the various shortlisting and selection tools like the CBT, that is the exam they will be conducting. Then a group task or a group discussion will be given. Then a skill test will be taken, and then a personal interview. So here they have said the the CBT exam will consist of the two parts. One in the general aptitude, then the technical or the professional knowledge. In the general aptitude consisting of the English language, quantitative aptitudes test and the intellectual potential tests, that is the logical reasoning and data interpretations. Then the technical or the professional knowledge comprising of the questions related to the qualifying degrees or the educational backgrounds required for the applied positions. So over here, this is of the year 2024, the exam pattern. Here they have said for the paper 1, the general aptitude, the subjects includes the English language, quantitative aptitudes, intellectual, as they have said in the PDF also. Then the number of questions will be 85 MCQs, and then in the paper 2, technical knowledge will be asked. That is also of 85 MCQs will be there, number of MCQs. Then the time duration overall, like the paper 1 and paper 2, overall paper time duration will be 150 minutes. Then for there will be negative marking also. For each correct answer, 1 marks will be awarded, and there will be a negative marking of 0.25 marks for every incorrect answers to the MCQs. Then the interview, if you qualify this exam, then the interview, you will call for the interview. There the interview carries 10% of the final grade. The candidates who are selected after the group task will be issued an admit card for the interview rounds. It will be conducted in the form of the oral exam with a panel arranged in the examination committee. So you'll be called for the interview, and then after completing the group task, you will be issued a interview's admit card. Then for the technical part, here's the syllabus for English. They will be asking the grammar, spot the error, antonyms, synonyms, vocabulary, fill in the blanks, sentence structure, one word substitutions, shuffling of the sentence parts, idioms or and the phrases, shuffling of the sentence in the passage, spellings, detecting the misspelled words, etc. You can check. Then the quantitative aptitudes, decimal fractions, partnerships, problems of the HCF and LCM, compound interest, simple interest, time and distance, all the nominal kind of maths as you have completed in the class 12. Um, then for the mechanical engineers, that is the technical part. The topics are engineering mechanics, engineering materials, strength of the materials, theory of mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, energy conversions, then the fluid mechanics, vibrations, designs, fluid machines, etc. I'll be giving the link of this PDF. Then for the civil engineering also you can check the syllabus over here, that is the structural analysis, mechanics, concrete structures, steel structures, soil mechanics, foundation engineering, fluid mechanics and hydraulics, hydrology, irrigations, water requirements, air pollution, surveying, noise pollutions, etc. Then for the electrical engineering, electric circuits, electromagnetic fields, then the electrical machines, power systems, electrical and electronics measurements, power electronics. Then for the instrumentation engineering, electrical circuits and measurements, signals and systems, control systems, analog electronics, digital electronics, computers and networks, industrial instrumentations, computationals and optical instrumentations, industrial data communications, analytical instrumentations. So these are the subjects, the topics they will be asking in the exam. Then back to the PDF. They have said few more things, that they will be taking a medical exam. Then the placements are the posting. Yeah, the posting or the assignments can be in any SBU or the Department of Marketing divisions of the corporations at any place in the country. And this is a transferable job. The service thereafter will be transferred to any SBU or department or division as per the requirements of the corporation. They will transferring you as per their requirements. Then they have said about the probation and the retention. The probation, the selected officers will be on a probation for 1 year from the date of the joining. Upon successful completion of the probation period, the officer will be considered for the confirmation as per the company policy. Then the retention amount, an amount of rupees 5,000 per month will be deducted as retention amount from the total emoluments for the first 6 months during the probation period for the officers in the pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000. The amount will be refunded to the officers only after the confirmations. The retention amount will be forfeited in case of the employee leaves the corporation or on terminations of the service before the confirmation. Then they have talked about the reservations, concessions, and the relaxations. Then the maximum age limit for the relaxation that will be given to the SC/ST is 5 years. Then the OBC non-creamy is 3 years, and 10 years for the PWBD candidates, and for the general, and 13 years for the PWBD OBC non-creamy layers candidates, and 15 years age relaxation will be given to the PWBD SC/ST candidates. Then the maximum age limit relaxation for by 5 years candidates domiciled in the Jammu and Kashmir between that riot one. Then for many more things are given for the ex-servicemen relaxation will be 5 years. Then the minimum age limit is 18 years and above as on the closing date of the application, 14 February 2025. Then few more details are given over here. like the disabilities that those are eligible for this post. Then the application process. Online application will be accepted from 15th of January to 14th of February. Then the candidates are requested to apply online on the official website. I'll be sharing the PDF, so there you can check the official website link. There they have also said that from the careers, then you can go to the current openings. Then you can check the detailed advertisement. The application with the incomplete or the wrong particulars are not in the prescribed format will not be considered. So once you pay, you will not get the money also back. It's a refundable, non-refundable money. Then you have to give their email number and the email ID and the phone number correctly. So the candidate must use the proper email IDs created in the names. Otherwise, actions may be taken if you give the incorrect email IDs. Then you have to give all the details correctly for while filling up the form. Then the application fees. The application fee is applicable for all the positions like the SC, ST, and PWBD candidates are only exempted from the application fee. The general, OBC, non-creamy, and the EWS candidates are required to pay a non-refundable amount of rupees 1,180. That is the 1,000 application fee plus GST 180. Plus the gateway charges if applicable. The modes are here: debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, like this. And then the general instructions few are given, like only the Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Then all computations of the age or relevant experience requirements or qualifications shall be done with respect to the last date of the receipt of the online application, that is 14th of February. Then the qualifications should be of a full-time regular course from a AICTC approved or the UGC recognized university or the deemed university or a state board. The course offers by the and autonomous university institutes should be equivalent to the relevant courses. Then the qualifying branches which are mentioned in this are only considered as eligible for this post. Then the candidates possessing a higher professional qualification such as the degree in engineering, BE, BTech, AMIE or such equivalent qualifications are not eligible. Only the diploma students are eligible. Then they have said about the CGPA and OGPA. Then the candidature of the shortlisted applicants will be provisional and subject to subsequent verifications to certificates or testimonials or medical certificates. They will be asking for the certificates and they require. Then admit card for the CBT, interview call letters, etc. will not be sent to the candidates in hard copy. It will be sent in your email ID. So give your email ID correctly. Yeah, so these are the important points in this PDF. So as it's written, that is the 14th of February is the last date for the application. So complete your application first. Or if you say I can provide another video for the application process. Thank you.